So I'm back. It's 5th of May 2025. It's pretty late right now actually. I think it's like 11:30 almost. But I said, well, if I want to make a personal brand, I have to put in the extra effort. I could have slept. I have to wake up at 4. I could have slept, but I was like, okay, let's give one more shot, one last thing towards, one last step towards what I want to build for this day. Right. So I'm going to keep this video very short because I don't have too much time to actually edit it or anything. So I just posted on Instagram and on LinkedIn. Follow me there. On Instagram, it's Prajwal PRX. And on LinkedIn, it's Prajwal Pawar. I'll link it in the caption and in the description as well. And I just posted there about, again, like I found the content style or like a post style very creative. And I was like, okay, let's try it. So I just made it very quickly. I shot it in the afternoon and posted it now because I was out with the friends. So it's going to be a beautiful journey. It's 6 months. I started I started in April technically, but the last date, like the end date for this kind of project or like the space is 6th of October 2025. And yeah, man, it's going to be a beautiful journey. I am here for the next 15 some days at my college and then I'll be going home. So my setup will change in the videos to come, but it's going to be around 2 to 3 weeks for that. And my goal for this right now for YouTube is to post a video every single day. Now, I have been posting regularly on LinkedIn and on Instagram. And due to that, I kind of found the idea of what my audience actually wants from me. So I posted at least 4 to 5 different styles of content at a decent volume. You know, I have not posted like hundreds of pieces of content, obviously, but like I have found some winning formulas. So my initial focus will be on those winning formulas, creating videos around them. And if you want me to make any type of video or on any topic, let me know in the comments, right? Even in this video's comment, if you want to see some me talking about some particular topic or just want me to explain something or anything, what me my perspective or something, what my life story, on my experience, just let me know in the comments. This is, I think, my fourth or fifth video on this channel. I used to post before, but I kind of unlisted those videos. Uh, but after that, I think there have been 3 or 4 videos that I've posted, and 2 went unposted. I'm probably not going to post that right now. Maybe I'll just post it for private. We'll see. So yeah, it it's going to be amazing. No, I have manifested this thing for quite the time, and I am going to make this happen. If you want to be part of this journey, want to see how I'll be building my personal brand and how you can too. If you follow me, if we start together, let's build together. Again, open to DMs, open to connections, open to conversations anytime. So yeah, that was it for this video. I'll be posting hopefully daily, not hopefully, I will be posting daily from now on YouTube. So yeah, that was it. Prajwal out. Have a nice day ahead. Or I should say have a nice day, depending on where you are.